Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of going out on Uber app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Uber app like this. Then if you will find update, then you can update your app here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.